Good morning, students. In last period, we will start our 10th chapter. 10th chapter name is Shapes and Patterns. Then, last period, we learnt about the shape. What is the shapes? Then, in this period, we start our new point. New point name is patterns. Then, first point is number patterns. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 are number patterns. Number patterns means we have given numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Then next we have given exercise 10.7. Study and complete the following patterns. Then our next point is that is first example is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Next we have given dotted line. Then we have next is the given numbers is the difference of 10. Then after 50 we get 50 plus 1 is 60, 60 plus 10 is 70, 70 plus 10 is 80. That is here we have given the numbers or patterns 60, 70, 80. Next second example is we have given difference 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. This is difference of 2. The given numbers is difference of 2. Then after 9, 9 plus 2 is 11. Then 11 plus 2 is 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. Then we have given dotted line 9 after 11, 13 and 15. 11, 13 and 15. Then third example is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Then observe these numbers. This is table of 4. This numbers is table of 4. Then 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. After 4 6 are 24. 4 7s are 28. 4 8s are 32. 4 9s are 36. And then after 20 we get 24, 28 and 32. Our fourth example is 1, 2, 3. Next 1, 2, 3. Then it is repetition of 1, 2, 3. Then again we have next 1, 2, next 3. Next 1, 2. Then fifth example is 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. Then fifth example, this is difference of 3. That is 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. Then this is difference of 3. Next one is 6, 2, 1, 0, 2, 1. This is sixth number is 2, 1, 0 or 2, 1. Our next point is this repetition of 0 to 1. Then next after 1 this is 0. Next 2. Next 1. Then next seventh example is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. It is table of 5. Then 25 plus 5 is 30. 5 7s are 35. 5 8s are 40. Then after 25 we get the number 30, 35, 40. Then our next point is 3, 9, 15, 21, 27. This is difference of 6. Then 3 plus 9 is 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15, 15 plus 6 is 21, 21 plus 6 is 27. Then 27 plus 6 is 33, 33 plus 6 is 39, 39 plus 6 is 45. Then after 27 number is 33, 39, 45. Then next ninth example is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Then in this example we see this is table of 6, that is 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, then 6 six are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48. That is here dotted line we have given up till 30, 36, 42, 48. Next one is 4, 3, 7, 11, 15. This is difference of 4. That is 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 4 is 15, 15 plus 4 is 19. This is difference of 4. Then 19 plus 4 is 23. 19 plus 4 is 23. 23 plus 4 is 27. 27 plus 3 is 31. That is in dotted line we have given 23, 27 and 31. Our next point is picture pattern. We have seen next number pattern, then next one is picture pattern. Then we have given pictures. First picture is complete the following. We have given some pictures. See the picture. This is picture pattern. Then complete the following patterns. Here in this pattern, firstly we have given this is one picture, this is second. After repetition of first, after repetition of second, next we have given this. बघा या पिक्चरमध्ये तुम्हाला काय दिलेत, एक मांजराचं चित्र दिलं आहे, एक उंदराचं चित्र दिलं आहे, परत त्याचं रिपिटेशन झालं आहे, परत मांजराचं चित्र आलं आहे, नंतर परत उंदराचं पिक्चर आहे. आणि नेक्स्ट मग काय येणार तुमचं रिपिटेशन मांजराचं चित्र. देन नेक्स्ट आहे एक्सरसाइज 10.8. देन फर्स्ट example we have given firstly one egg, next we have given one toaster, next we have given egg, next we have given toaster, then repetition of next repetition of egg. Next in dotted line we have given egg, next we have given toaster. Here similar way, one apple, next one santra, again apple, again santra, then repetition apple and santra. Then next third example is we have given one pencil, one notebook, next one pencil, one notebook, next we have given one pencil and one notebook. There here given last fourth example is here, firstly we have given one tomato, next we have given, then repetition is similar in other examples. Here our shapes and patterns chapter is finished. And our next chapter is data handling. Our next chapter is data handling. Data handling concentrate on collecting or sorting of information in lists and tables including tally charts. Data handling concentrate on collecting and sorting of information in lists and tables including tally 4. Then arrange the eatables and non-eatables in different columns by observing pictures given below. We have given 12 pictures. Out of these 12 pictures, arrange eatables and non-eatables in different columns. First picture is potato, second picture is cap, third one is aeroplane, fourth one is ice cream, fifth one is pumpkin, sixth one is teddy bear, seventh one is carrot, eighth one is book, ninth one is cake, 10th one is brinjal, 11th one is chili, and 12th one is pencil. Then out of these 12 pictures, eatable pictures are, first potato is eatable, then write this is in eatable column. Then second cap is non-eatable, then write cap in non-eatable table. Then third one is aeroplane, then aeroplane is not eatable, then it is also non-eatable column. Fourth one is ice cream, then it is eatable, then write ice cream in eatable column. Fifth one is pumpkin, then pumpkin is also eatable, then write it is a pumpkin in eatable column. Next sixth one is teddy bear, teddy bear is not eatable, then it is write in non-eatable table. Seventh one is carrot, write carrot is eatable, then it is write in eatable table. Eighth one is book, book is also not eatable, book is also not eatable, then write book in non-eatable table. Then ninth one is cake, the cake is also eatable, then it is write in eatable column. Next 10th one is brinjal, brinjal is also eatable, then write the brinjal in eatable column. 11th one is chili, chili is also eatable, then write chili in eatable column. And 12th one is pencil, pencil is non-eatable, then it is write in non-eatable column. This is arrangement of eatable and non-eatable. Then next point of this topic is pictograph. Pictograph means a picture graph. Pictograph means a picture graph. In pictograph, we represent information with the help of pictures. In pictograph, we represent information with the help of pictures. It is also called as pictogram. It is also called as pictogram. It conveys its meaning through the pictorial representation of data. It conveys its meaning through its pictorial representation of data. Next, a pictograph represents numbers as pictures. Pictogram represent numbers as pictures. The pictogram below shows children's favorite fast food. Each full picture is 2 words and 1 word. Then write the number of words by looking following pictures. Each full picture is 2 words. That is, in first column we have given 3 full pictures. Then it is 2 words. One picture have 2 words. That is, 3 picture have 6 words. Next, in second, there are 3 full pictures and 1 half picture. Then it is 3 full picture having 1 full picture having 2 words. Then 3 is 6 words plus 1 half picture, that is 1 word, that is 6 plus 1 is 7. In children's column write 7. Then in next third one, 2 pictures, 2 full pictures are given. Then write this is in Full picture having 2 words, that in 2 plus 2 is 4. Write 4 is in children's column. Again next, fourth one is we have given 4 complete biscuits and 1 half biscuit. Then it is 1 complete picture having 2 words. Then 4 complete picture having 8 words plus half biscuit is 1 word, that is 9 words. Then next we have given 6 papads. 6 papads, that is each full picture having 2 words, that is 6 full pictures having 6 multiplied by 2, that is 12 words. Write 12 in children's column. Then our next point is favorite ice cream photograph. Mrs. Tina and Mr. Aryan are planning a party for their classes. The students are asked to vote for their favorite ice cream flavor. The list below are the results. We have given 5 flavors. First one is chocolate, cocoa chip, butterscotch, vanilla and strawberry. These are 5 flavors. Use the information from the list to complete the pictograph below and answer the questions. First one is flavor. First flavor is chocolate. Number of votes is 8. Second flavor is vanilla. Number of votes is 7. Third flavor is strawberry. Number of votes is 5. Fourth one is butterscotch. Number of flavor is 8. Fifth one is cocoa chip. Then number of votes is 13. First question is, which 2 flavors did the students like the least? Which 2 flavors did the students like least? That is 5 and 7. That is vanilla and strawberry flavor student like least. 5 and 7 flavor student like least. Then how many students voted for butterscotch and strawberry? How many students voted for butterscotch and strawberry? In strawberry, 5 students are voted, and in butterscotch, 8 students are voted. Then how many more students voted for choco chip than vanilla? Then how many more students voted for choco chip and then vanilla? Then choco chip 13 students and vanilla have 7 students. That is 13 minus 7 is 6. That is 6 students voted for choco chip than vanilla. Then last one question is, how many votes were there in all? Total sum is 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. 20 plus 8 is 28. 28 plus 10 is 38 plus 3 is 41. Third one is popcorn sales pictograph. Popcorn sales pictograph. Popcorn sales. 4 boys sold popcorn for 1 month. The list below shows how much money was collected by each. We have to draw popcorn sales pictograph. 4 boys sold popcorn for 1 month. The list below shows how much money was collected by each. John is rupees 75. Ajay is rupees 30. Rahul is rupees 60. Aman is rupees 45. Then use the information from the list to complete the pictograph below and answer the question. We have to use this given information from the list to complete the given pictograph below and answer the question, similar question to favorite ice cream pictogram. It is also similar. We will see in next this example, third example we will see in next period. Okay, thank you.